What inspired you to start this company?
Yeah. So at the start, it happened at Hurricane Katrina. I wasn't planning on getting into construction law. I wasn't planning on a lot of things. But when Hurricane Katrina hit in New Orleans, everything was related to rebuilding the city. So here I was now right after law school and inundated by construction. I had a software background and a programming background, and then I started a law practice as well that focused on construction law. What was coming to the surface in all of those things was chasing the money around and chasing payment. My first clients in my construction law practice were looking to file liens. First time a client came to me asking me to file a lien, I searched in Google how to file a lien. And what we learned as we were working on that moment of non-payment is all the stuff that is leading them to that moment. And that's the whole payment process and all the frictions involved with that payment process and all the fears involved with that payment process. And frankly, I couldn't do anything about it as an attorney. I couldn't help them because the only thing I could do is charge them a bunch of money and mitigate some bad thing that already happened to them. And what is important about this company is that we saw that as something that we could improve and we could help people get what they've earned.